All right, welcome back from newbie to pro, the ultimate affiliate journey. This is video number 4. My name is Dan, and if you're just tuning in, make sure to check out our earlier videos. They're packed with the good stuff. And last week, we broke down the essential tools every affiliate marketer needs to get moving. We're talking Posties, Creatory AI Pro, and the AI and Automation Academy. Basically, the backbone of any successful affiliate setup. And if you haven't checked those tools out yet, trust me, you're missing out. Seriously, go back and watch that video and come back here or stick around because today we're diving into something just as crucial. Today, we're tackling the big question, how do you create an offer people can't say no to? And no, I'm not talking about take it or leave it kind of offer. I'm talking about the kind where they look at it and they're practically grabbing their wallets before you even finish your pitch. That's what I mean by irresistible. So if you're ready to turn that lukewarm offer into a white hot deal, buckle up. And while you're here, smash that like button and subscribe to the D Squared Marketplace YouTube channel so you don't miss any of our tips on becoming an affiliate pro. All right, let me start with a little secret about creating offers that convert. Are you ready? Most people aren't selling what their audience actually wants. They're selling what they think their audience wants. Now, if that's news to you, drop a mind-blown emoji in the comments because honestly, that's step one to crafting an offer that works. If you're not nailing what they want, all the fancy marketing tricks in the world won't save you. So let's get into the first tip, knowing your audience's pain points better than they do. And when I say know, I mean understand it like it's your own. The number one mistake affiliates make is trying to sell a product without fully getting what keeps their audience up at night. Here's what you need to do. Imagine your ideal customer. What's their biggest headache? What would they pay anything to solve? The better you get at answering that question, the stronger your offers are going to be. And remember, specifics win. General pain points, forget about it. Zero in on exactly what they need help with. All right, if you're tracking with me so far, drop a got it in the comments. Now, if you're thinking, yeah, I know my audience's pain points, here's the test. Can you summarize it in one sentence? If not, keep digging. Offers that convert are laser focused on solving that one problem. And hey, don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that way you keep getting these tips. We've got a lot more coming your way. Now let's talk about urgency. You want people to feel like if they don't take action now, they're missing out. A good way to create urgency, throw in a limited time offer or maybe some bonuses that are only available for a short time. People act fast when they think they might lose something. A quick example, let's say you're offering a free resource like, an online sales sheet, but it's only available for the first 100 people who grab it. That urgency can be the difference between a maybe later and a right now. If you've got any cool ideas for adding urgency to your offers, share them in the comments and let's brainstorm together. All right, if you're still with me, good, because the next tip is the game changer. If you're about to zone out, don't. This is the part where most affiliates get it wrong and where you can set yourself apart. Tip number 3, make sure your offer is packed with undeniable value. Imagine a scale. On one side is the cost of your product or service, and on the other side is value someone gets from it. Your job is to make the value feel 10 times what they're paying. If it's an ebook, throw in a free coaching call. If it's software, add in some exclusive tutorial videos. This is what makes people feel like they're getting a deal that's way better than the money they're putting down. People want to feel like they're winning by saying yes to your offer. So if you have an idea of how you could add extra value to your own offers, drop it below. I'd love to see what you come up with. And hey, if you're getting fired up about creating a killer offer, make sure you smash that like button. It lets us know this stuff is resonating. Plus, we've got a lot more content lined up, so subscribe to stay in the loop with us. All right, the last tip for you today, remove as much risk as possible. When people hesitate to buy, it's usually because they're worried it won't work for them. But if you can take that risk off their shoulders, they're way more likely to say yes to you. Think about offering a money-back guarantee or a test drive version of your product. For example, a 7-day trial period or refund guarantee if they're not completely satisfied. When you do this, they've got nothing to lose, and you look like you're backing up your offer with confidence. And confidence, folks, It's contagious. So we've covered a lot today: understanding your audience's pain points, creating urgency, packing in value, and removing risk. If you follow these steps, you're well on your way to making offers that convert like crazy but aren't guaranteed. And if that sounds too good to be true, I've got a little freebie to help you out. Now, drum roll, please. I guess that's not in the budget. We're offering an online sales cheat sheet. Think of it as your personal roadmap to structuring killer offers. If you want it, just comment below yes. It's packed with pro tips that'll make crafting your next offer a breeze. So grab that. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and let's keep leveling up your affiliate game together. Thanks for watching today's tips on offer creation. Remember, they don't guarantee, but they will set you on the right path. And I'll see you in the next video.